What's up, everybody? Mind, Chem, Dark Room, Consciousness, Reflections, Reggae, Rize, Jah, Universe, Earth, Grounding, Universe A, B, Ground. So, if you know what words are, and that words construct worlds, and words are a very powerful tool and weapon to organize the sound resonator, to organize the realm, you better take care of what you say. And I still don't really know if somebody's here, or if it's only me. But if it's only me, I should be way more conscious with what I say, what I show to the world, what I pulled out from the magic hat, the magic dome school, because this is what will happen, universe A and B, the dark side and the light side. So the black and the white becomes gray, and I ground it together, obviously with mixing all chemical elixirs in myself through movement, but also through knowledge, which is in my school, in my skull, intuitively speaking the world. So this is basically, what a podcast is, what technology is, what the workings always stay the same, because you have senses that you can, with you tune into a specific frequency with that. If you dial a certain phone number, you tune it to a certain frequency with somebody. If you listen to a specific voice, that's specific resonance, that's specific frequency. So to stay grounded in here is definitely important to stay balanced, It's definitely not the thing to say to only stay purple, because you have different rainbow extractions, you have different rainbow chakras, colors, and each color is a representation of the whole. Now the whole is basically the tunnel which is going through your body from your mouth to your butthole. It's a black tube, and we can fill that specific tube up with something, but it's more about the cultivation of the Holy Ghost, the cultivation of the mind, because this is what you are, what mirrors out. This is what learned something. Your mind, your body, your soul, your light. And I have switched sides to, the subconscious realm, but also to the universe B. Universe B, which is basically above all the, so to say, astral realms, where you might get your superpowers back, which you see in the movies. And that's also what Falun Gong, Falun Dafa tells you, to not strive for your supernormal ability. Because, I could develop them, and maybe I have already developed them, or I have developed some of them, so to say. But still, that's not the real goal, because, and that's the key factor here, we are still on Earth, still in the three-dimensional pattern. So to operate in here, it's important to, stay grounded. because I could rise to the complete top. But what? I mean, I was there. I can go there very fast. I am there right now. But still on this earth realm, to integrate all the things that we've learned and to do the things that we've learned, that's the message here. Stay grounded. Stay in the universe, Earth, because this is where my physical body is. Although this whole thing is a Maya, it is an illusion. It is not real. And in the end, all of it will get destroyed. I know that. Still, I'm doing everything that I can, which lays in my hands, in my mind, to make it a better place. And it starts, obviously, with my voice. It does with my mind. I cultivate my mind all the time, but it starts with the voice. Now, from the voice on, it starts with the senses. And then to know that I only see reflections here, to remember myself what this whole thing is. It's a representation of my mind. And then I see these mirrorings of my soul, of my subconscious mind. Maybe also of the universe being, but where the chaos beings basically live, But still, on this in this earth realm, stay grounded, But funny enough, I have to shoot up my initial starting option, my rocket ship into the skies to get up, but then the rocket should stay grounded. And this is maybe also why we have all these hygienic things to do. But the bizarre thing to me is you see how I basically developed over the years of maybe my YouTube journey, also this journey on Instagram, and everything that I was also doing before all of this social media crap. As you see, definitely, I mean, I carry it inside of me. I carry it also in my mind. I cultivate my mind to that place. But cleanliness is next to godliness, and all chemical balance starts obviously in the mind, but the way the body balances itself out with urine, Shivamukapa, is a great thing to do. But maybe I should, like I said, cut back on this, take care how I appear and how I smell, how I look and see. But this is the bizarre thing of this alchemical thing, of this alchemical vessel. In order to appear sexy, or in order to appear in a good smelling way, to appear in society the way we should present ourselves, we put things into our system, onto ourselves, to represent something that we basically not really are on a deepest surface, on a deepest point of creation. And we're using substances which are harming our body. I mean, I know this is also part of life, yin and yang, black and white, the dark side and the light side. And I have no problem with integrating bad, so to say, bad things, or also maybe needles or pharmaceuticals, because it all gets boiled down in my alchemical vessel, and either way. But the thing that also the alchemists understood is to take something old, like Bobby Hammond said, you take something old and you make something new out of it. So this is why I include everything from Universe A in here, boil it down in my alchemical system, make something new out of it, and then send that basically like that to Universe B. This is how we transcend information through the body, through the mind, through the soul, through the spirit. But what the fuck do I even know? Where do I know these things from? Why do I say them? Like, where's the scientific evidence of this? Well, I don't know. I just say it, Like, some scientists find out something, and so they say it, And still, they take certain things. The workings are always the same, always. And every system is a bit different, so what's good for me may be not good for you. What's good for you may not be good for me. So, whatever. Why even talk about this? Because, on the base level, Shivam Kalba would help, but is your mind ready for that? Maybe not. See, this is the bizarre thing with it. Back to these hygienic claiming things. I take part in that, and like I said, I drown myself through that. But see, if you would like to float up high, especially for all these, so to say, purple, raw people, which is a great thing to do, that's very good, it's very high vibrational. But you really would like to take it to the even further level, get into Shivam Kalpa. And then you would know. You would really know what activation of your third eye means. So, stay grounded, switch from Universe B to Universe A to Universe Earth. But I also know how to get an access to chaos realm. But like I said, if I'm moving myself in society, I take look how I take care about how I appear to everybody, which is basically how I appear to myself. I make sure I have a nice appearance. I look good. I have a good body. I have a sexy body. To mirror basically a good appearance out. Because this is also what represents itself then in the reflectional mind chematic mirror. So a bit more 5x5 system, maybe 5x5 ring dips, 5x5 pull-ups, chin-ups, 5x5 push-ups, deadlifts, 5x5 squats, bit of calorie fire too, experimental chaos, confusional mind-body training. Basically, to mirror something good out. Truthfulness, compassion, and tolerance. And stay grounded.